Hey. So yeah, we about to start getting our backyards back together. We got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of things that we got, like this dang cat. Get off. Get down. Get down. Get down. They always own my dang furniture. Her and her brother. I don't know where he at right now. But we're about to start getting it back together, getting back out here. We got a new hydroponics, so I'm gonna get all that back together. That's been here for a few months. Trampoline finally broke on us. We redid it. We only have one rabbit over there. We got an outdoor kitchen, smokers, and just wanted to come out here as we got some smoke going on. Ooh, it smells so good already. We got turkey wing plats, a couple of 2, 4, 6. I got 8 of those. We got another pack that we're not gonna put on, but then we got some wings, some legs, and some thighs. So smoking those for about a good 2 hours at 270, probably 270. So we'll come back out and check on that. You made my desires pure. You made my desires pure. I want wisdom, understanding. I don't want no Grammys. I want to live a righteous life with a righteous family. I want a wife that love you more than she love me. Want to show my people that they royalty. Hey, what's up, everybody? So it's RV King, man. My truck just hit 150,000 miles, and it's still going strong. It does have a little bit of a tick in the engine, but hopefully here in the next few months, I'll be able to sit it and use something else, because I really don't work too much anymore out in the field. So I'm just gonna sit it and see whatever repairs it needs, and get it, kind of tuned up to where it's my just hauling stuff around. I'm about to pull in here to Tractor Supply because it is chicken season, and I know we've been talking about getting chickens for the farm, for the family farm. And so I had a lady yesterday that donated some items to us, some chicken feeders and stuff like that. Pretty nice. Some nesting boxes. So I'm kind of excited. So I'm pulling up here to the Tractor Supply to see if they have chicks. I also have a person that's actually around this area that's when I'm ready, they will have chickens for us. So that's a good plus as well. So I'm just gonna run in here, you guys. I'll take you guys with me and to see what chicks they have. And I'm actually looking at some housing for the chicks. And I guess I gotta probably end up building my own brooder box, but at least I can start looking at the houses. All right, so come on, follow me. Let's go. All right, so here's all the feed. Different things. So we got some of these on there. But like, here are the prices. Here are the prices. They got turkeys. They got ducks. So yeah, they got. Well, when they have them in, I don't look like they have anything. But this is what we're looking at. You see this whole setup? That's you up to 6. So that's not bad pricing. Then if we want something bigger, I think we're gonna start with this, but these would be nice too. Chicken purchases must be minimum for 4 birds. Duck purchases must be a minimum of 2 birds. Chicken birds may be combined to reach the minimum. Okay. So here's some more over here. So they're not that bad in prices. They just don't have any. Yeah, they don't have any. Same as that. See some 4. Okay, so these are nesting boxes right here. And we got one roasting bar. I like this one. 6 birds. Kind of like this one. Alright, so yeah, that's all I needed in here. They got all these little things like these. This is $32. The lights. $150. Lights. Okay. Looking good. Alright. Think of
Oh yeah.
Look at some seeds while we're in here.
I'm just looking now.
Yeah, I think we got all this. Alright, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, do you know when you guys will be getting more chicks?
Wednesday or Thursday?
Wednesday or Thursday. Thank you. Alright, so that's it. Let's get on home, get some food in us. Thank y'all for watching. Just a quick video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. I want love, I want peace, I want everlasting life. Well done, my good and faithful servant, walking in that light.